How to fix an error occurred while internet connection sharing was being enabled on Windows. 1. Enable the allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection option in your Wi-Fi properties. 2. Make the internet connection sharing, ICS, service run automatically. 3. Run Internet Connections Troubleshooter, Network Adapters Troubleshooter and Incoming Connections Troubleshooter. 4. Update the network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Sign in using a different account. 6. Clean boot your Windows, then remove corrupted third-party programs using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide.